Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best detangling spray is probably one of the most sought-after hair care products for women today, promising smoother, more manageable tresses with less breakage and hassle. But with so many options available, how do you choose the right one for your hair type and needs? This video will dive deep into the world of detangling sprays, helping you find the perfect product to tame your mane and achieve effortlessly beautiful hair. Number 5. Pureology Color Fanatic Spray. This multitasking leave-in spray is your new secret weapon for vibrant, healthy-looking color-treated hair. It's designed to protect your color and keep it looking its best. It's a leave-in conditioner, heat protectant, and color-enhancing treatment all in one. Simplify your hair care routine without compromising results. This spray creates a protective barrier against heat styling damage, helping to prevent color fading and dryness. Keep your hair looking gorgeous, even after using hot tools. It's formulated without harsh sulfates and is completely vegan, making it a gentle yet effective choice for all hair types. It's kind to your hair and the planet. Experience vibrant, long-lasting color with this incredible leave-in spray. Say goodbye to dullness and hello to radiant, healthy-looking hair. This product is a must-have for anyone with color-treated hair. It's the ultimate solution for protecting your color and keeping your hair looking its best. What we like. It's a color-safe and vegan formula that also acts as a heat protectant. If you have color-treated hair and frequently use heat styling tools, this is your perfect match. It keeps your color vibrant and protects your hair from heat damage, leaving it healthy and shiny. Number 4. Marc Coconut and Shea Spray. Transform your dry, damaged hair with this luxurious leave-in conditioner. It's enriched with biotin, coconut oil, and shea butter for intense hydration and nourishment. This detangling spray reduces frizz, split ends, and breakage, leaving your hair silky smooth and manageable. Experience the difference today. Give your hair the hydration it craves with our coconut and shea collection. It's the perfect solution for busy lifestyles, leaving your hair soft, smooth, and ready for anything. Simply spray it onto wet or damp hair from roots to ends, comb through, and leave it in. Then, style as desired for effortless beauty. We travel the world to source the finest ingredients, creating professional quality products that are paraben-free, sulfate-free, and phthalate-free. Our mission is to make hair care simple and fun with premium, easy-to-use products at an affordable price. Get ready to enjoy all the styles and fun. What we like. This leave-in conditioner is enriched with coconut oil and shea butter, providing intense moisture and smoothing frizz. If you are looking for deep hydration and want to tame frizz, this product will leave your hair feeling soft and manageable. It's perfect for dry, damaged hair. What people say. It really worked great for the tangles. Smells good, easy to use, and my hair feels healthier. Possibly brought the frizz down some. Hair is soft, shiny, and that thick poofy of damaged hair, no more. It makes a difference which shampoo conditioner is used first. Shea Moisture also great. This one has a pleasant scent and I drench my hair in it before brushing and it makes it super soft. Number 3. Bum Revitalizing 3-in-1. This amazing leave-in conditioner is a must-have for healthy, manageable hair. It's 3 products in one, simplifying your hair care routine. Say goodbye to knots and tangles. It effortlessly detangles even the most stubborn locks, leaving your hair smooth and silky. It deeply conditions your hair, repairing damage and preventing split ends. Plus, it protects your color and shields it from harmful UV rays. It's formulated with nourishing coconut oil and banana extracts to enhance and restore your hair's natural shine and health. Your hair will feel soft and revitalized. It's so popular, it's the most borrowed item from our beach house. You'll wonder how you ever lived without it. This leave-in conditioner will transform your hair, making it healthier, shinier, and easier to manage. Get yours today. What we like. It's a 3-in-1 formula that detangles, conditions, and protects your hair from UV damage. If you spend a lot of time outdoors, this product will shield your hair from sun damage while keeping it soft and manageable. It's ideal for those who need versatile hair care. What people say. It is great at detangling my curly hair straight from the shower and it makes my hair feel and smell so good. This product made a big difference by keeping my hair soft, frizz-controlled, shiny, and not at all oily. This product has been amazing in getting the tangles out and my hair feels great. It's not overpowering but it's there and so many leave-ins lose their scent just after a few hours, so this is a win in my book. Number 2. OUAI Leave-In Conditioner. This multitasking mist protects your hair from heat and UV damage. It smooths frizz and detangles, leaving it looking healthy and shiny. Say goodbye to knots and frizz. It uses a powerful amino acid blend to smooth and protect your hair, leaving it incredibly soft. This leave-in conditioner adds shine and hydration without weighing your hair down. The tamarind seed extract and vitamin E help condition and detangle. This spray effortlessly detangles every strand, making styling a breeze. It's perfect for all hair types and keeps your hair from getting knotty. It's carefully crafted to cut styling time and nourish your hair. We've included the good stuff and left out the bad, without compromising quality. This luxury hair product is affordable and user-friendly. Simply mist it through damp hair before styling to achieve your desired look. What we like. This multitasking spray detangles, adds shine, and protects against heat damage. If you like a product that does it all, this is the one for you. It primes your hair for styling, leaving it smooth, shiny, and protected from heat styling tools. Number 1. Pantene Pro V Repair Detangler. It provides essential nutrients to deeply hydrate dry and damaged hair, helping to prevent breakage and promote healthy growth. Say goodbye to split ends and hello to stronger, more resilient strands. This lightweight leave-in conditioner detangles effortlessly, leaving your hair soft, smooth, and shiny. It's the perfect solution for achieving a luxurious look and feel. Enriched with antioxidants, it helps reduce protein loss, keeping your hair strong and resilient against damage. You'll notice a significant improvement in the overall health and strength of your hair. Get salon-quality results without the salon price tag. This Detangler spray is a cost-effective way to achieve healthy, beautiful hair. This convenient 3-pack provides you with ample supply of this moisturizing leave-in conditioner. You'll have enough to keep your hair healthy and manageable for weeks to come. Experience the transformative power of Pantene Pro V. It's the secret to achieving your healthiest, most beautiful hair yet. What we like. This detangling spray repairs and protects damaged hair with its antioxidant-enriched formula. If you have damaged hair and are looking for a boost of nutrients, this is your solution. It strengthens your hair, leaving it soft, smooth, and shiny without breaking the bank. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.